Hi, welcome to Neeva, the world's first ad-free and private search engine built around you. With Neeva, you can choose how you want to experience the internet without ever having to compromise your privacy. Let's jump in. Say you like to search for recipes, or you shop, or you like to look at more technical questions. Neeva can help with all of that. So be typing something like a recipe, and with Neeva's preview feature, you can save time by previewing the content on the right-hand side. Always results, never ads. Now for something more technical, we also allow you to filter down the result by the type of document you're looking for. Now, have you ever wanted to choose your own journey when you're online? With Neeva's Preferred Providers feature, you can do just that. Let's go to the home page, and from here, click Customize on your newsfeed, and you can select preferences on the sources that you prefer more of or prefer less of. You can also do this right from the settings page. Once you make your selection, reload the page, and you will see your preferences right on the bottom. Now, whenever you leave Neeva, we can also help protect your privacy with our Neeva extension. At the top right corner of your browser, you can see the extension in action. When you click on it, what you can see here is the number of third-party trackers we're blocking from collecting your data and retargeting ads to you. Now, we've been spending a lot of time with web search, but say you're looking for something more personal. If you use Neeva's Apps feature, you can type in something like an email title, and you'll see your emails right in line at the top. You can also click into the Personal tab to filter by all of your personal results. Click into the Apps section and you can connect your apps today. Happy searching!